Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at IAAI Auto Auctions with another walk around video showing you some of the very cool cars we have here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I want to say thanks to Cliff, the manager here, who has graciously allowed me to come in and take a look at some of the cars. First up on our list is this car right behind me. It's the next day. Oh. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
She is a beauty, and she's already saying, yep, she's already showing off what she's got. This is a 2018 Volvo XC90. I had one of these back in my married days. Yep. It was blue, and it was charcoal on the inside, and it was the most comfortable seat I'd ever sat in. I loved that car. My wife drove it for a long time. And it was a good car till the transmission went out. Yeah, it was that T5, and those had really iffy transmissions. They were too small for the bulk and the weight of the vehicle, but that's okay. We got that fixed, and it was a good car again till the transmission went out again. Anyway, this one is newer. It is more modern. It's taken a little bit of a hit. This is a little askew, as you can see. Yeah, she took a hit on the right side and it pushed everything to the left. Holy guacamole. That's why she's here. Damage didn't get very far though. I mean, even well, okay, so you do need a little fender support right there. As far as the fender goes, this is about it right there. That's the big deal. Can you straighten that out? Put a chain on, drive a car off that way. Maybe you'll straighten her out. I don't know. I like the color. I really do. I love the wheels. Those are gorgeous. Let's see what she's got on the inside. Let's see what she looks like here. Ooh, this is a little classier than the one that we had back in the day. Okay, she's still alive. She's got battery power. Oh, look. Hi, Leslie. How are you? They named their car Leslie. No, that's the owner. I get you. Yeah, I guarantee you that. And she knows her hood is open. This is really cool. Look at this. Okay. You get a gigantic moonroof. Check that out. Yep. This car smells good. Let's see, current position. Okay, now we know. Okay, well, let's not show everything about the car. She was playing Disney. She had some kids, and then she had a little accident. So you need a door card. Everything else on the interior seems to be pretty much. Look at this display. How cool is this? That is nice. Where's your start and stop? Here's your start and stop. What do? You twist it. Okay. Yep, turn that off. I don't want to get fined by Disney. How cool is that? To start the car, you have a little twisty, and you can change your drive mode through here. I like that. What does this do? Oh, okay. This is nice. You get some storage right here. Whoa, Volvo, you guys have upped your game. Let's see what the back seat looks like. If you've had one of these cars, let me know what you think. Hopefully they got through with the transmission issues. This is similar to what we had in the back. Yeah, and we had third row seats. Oh, your door card's back there. Okay. This is nice. The back seats are really... Oh, look at this screen. Okay. Lock it, move it up and down for your control, your fan control back here. And of course they come through here, which is perfect, right at your face. The plasticky wood is very plasticky. In case I get thirsty, I can come back and have a drink of water. This is a nice little car. Will she tow? I don't even think she has a tow hitch, does she? Ugh. No. Ooh, nothing back there. All right. But there is power. She's got the power. And there it is. Why did they take this off? I don't know. This is still very usable. Okay, so your parts list just went down. All your clips are still good. That's nice. That's okay. Wait a second. Where does it go? Oh, it goes... Okay, that's why they were doing that. I guess the door handle broke or something. That's why it's missing over there on that side. They were working on the door. And put this down. Third row seating right there. All-wheel drive, just like the older one that we used to have. But this used to be nice. Very, very nice. Well, it's summertime. How about a Camaro? Yep, and this one could actually be, I think, a pretty easy fix. No issue back here. Nothing at all. It looks bad. Okay, it's getting worse, it's getting worse. No, they just put this up because the window doesn't go up and down. Okay, we'll show you the inside here in just a second. As far as damage, just a little bitty bump here. So you need literally a bumper, a grill, a headlight, and a fender. And I really think that's all you need for this car. Yeah, what is this? This is a 2013 Chevy Camaro. Let me see if this will open. That's dirty because, of course, the window's been down. Oh, well, that may not be the first accident the car's been in. Yeah, look at that. I would have never known it unless I looked really closely. They put duct tape over the airbag. Yeah, okay. She's dirty. She is really dirty, and she's dead. There's no lights on or anything. But you want a little Camaro with the back seat that is just as dirty as the front. You get some stuff back there. This could be your car. Let's just sit in this for a second. Oh, okay, it was a smaller driver. My head is almost hitting the roof right here. You just can't, it's just not gonna work. Let's see what happens. Nothing. See, she's dead. Yeah, she's dead as could be. Okay, so, well, let's take a look under the hood and see what the problem might have been, if there is even a problem under the hood. I don't anticipate it, but I don't know. You never know what you get with the owners of these cars. Some of them take care of them. Most of them, I don't think they do. Let's do the hood. Well, if we can get in the hood, I don't even know. Okay. Let's kind of put this back where he found it. Yep. I'll put that back like that. Okay. Oh, she'll open. Okay. Yeah. Sorry about the camera work. Oh, the hood struts still work. Okay. Here you have it. She's dirty. She's really, really dirty. And the damage didn't get anywhere near anything. There's really not very much damage at all. It didn't even get your washer bottle right there. This is all good. This is all really good. Let's see what the oil looks like. Or here. Okay. No milkshake. That's good. What's under here? Oh, there is lots of oil. Okay. Nice. Nice. We're just kind of looking for issues. We'll close this. And leave it just like we found it. All right, there you go. Get yourself a bumper and a fender, and you're in business, and a headlight. Tires are good. Firestone. Firestone. As far as issues with the top, well, this could be a problem right here. Yeah, that could be a problem. You could probably restitch it, but it's so dry. The fabric is so dry. But other than that, matching tires, baby. Okay, here you go. 2013 Chevy Camaro. Here's what could be a perfect tow vehicle for Monkey Wrench Mike. Yep, I can't tell you how many people have told me stay away from the earlier engine. I guess it's the 5.3. You need the newer. Yep, you need the newer engines. Well, this one is a 2013 Ford F-150, and she is Platinum Edition, baby, which means she's going to be loaded with all kinds of stuff. Yep, she is going to be loaded, and she has been crunched in the back. Dag nabbit. I was not anticipating that. Look at the tires. Tires have lots of tread on them. That's pretty serious, because it's got into the cab. I don't know if it went into the frame, but it's got into the cab. It pushed everything up. So more than likely it did, maybe. It's buckled right there too. Well, okay. Doggone it. 4x4, newer engine, everything I wanted. Platinum Edition, even a nice... Oh, well, thank you for the step. Thank you, sir. Let me go inside here and just kind of check it out. Now, this is nice. Yeah, this is... Woo! I'm sorry, Chevy guys. I like the Ford interior. I don't know. Although it is kind of plasticky in some places. But I do. Look, she's coming alive. She's coming to life right there. Look at the seats. These are super comfortable seats. You even get a moonroof in a pickup truck. How about that? Yes, sir. Look at this. Those beautiful blue dials. The gauges right there. Trailer brake right here. Okay. What do they call this? The gun barrel shifter? Yeah. Look at that. Doggone it. Why couldn't she have escaped a little quicker? Oh, she's got mileage. Holy moly. This is next service due 7/13 of 22. She has 303,517 miles. That's when she needs to get her oil changed. 300,000 miles. Say what? Let's see what happens here. Where's my little... Oh, here's the key. Let's just see what happens here. We can't start her, but I can kind of see what's going on. Oh. Oh gosh. Yeah. She has 305,183. So it's time for an oil change. Wow. Holy guacamole. I don't like that sound. I don't like that sound at all. That's kind of scary looking. But let's take a look under the hood and see what a 305,000 mile engine looks like. Let's do that, because the inside of this thing is really nice. Unfortunately, the outside is not. I really think if I'm going to get a tow truck, I really think it's going to be a Ford F-150. Look how much room is back here. Look at these seats. This is really nice. Could I just drive it like this? And just forget about it? Thank you for your service. Okay. I'm going to put my sunglasses on here in a little bit because the temperature's climbing. Here we go. Come on. One-handed is hard. Come on. There you go. That, my friends, is what a 305,000 mile engine looks like. Got a Napa battery. And you know what? I don't see a whole lot. There's no leaks. Okay. Holy moly. I don't know if there's any coolant in here. I can't really see. Can you see? Is there any? Just let me know. Yes or no. Okay. Brake fluid. There is some brake fluid in there, and it's not black. So that's been changed before. Holy moly. 300,000 miles. And it looks like 100,000 miles. Even the belt looks good down here. Even the belt. Ooh. How much is a trailer? A bed on a pickup truck? How much is a bed? There you go. Doggone it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it except for the bed. 4x4, exactly what I want. you really can't even see under here. Let's see here. Okay, there's a little peek into the frame, which I think it's fine. I think it's just the bed. Somebody price a bed for me. Let me know how much one is in silver with the 4x4 sticker, okay? Well, 3 more vehicles. Check off the list right there, folks. We're having some fun out at IAAI. Check them out if you want a vehicle for cheap and you want to get it at an auction. Roll the dice. I've been very lucky with all the vehicles that I purchased, except for one from an auction. All of them have been kind of what I expected, and if not, they've been a good surprise. Only one had a bad engine. Only one out of probably, how many, 40, 45 cars I've purchased? I don't even know. Yeah, only one had a hole in the engine about that big. That was a BMW 3 Series wagon, which I thought was really, really cool. But these vehicles can be yours, so please check them out, IAAI.com. We are back with another video very, very soon. Hey, don't forget, if you want those Monkey Wrench Mike stickers, cash at me $3. Send it to BenzGuy99. Include your address in that little message that you get when you send money to somebody, and I'll send a sticker your way. And then please send me a picture of your car with the sticker on it, okay? Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.